Go home happy with the 2021 Audi Q7. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this premium Audi Q7. Powerful, safe, and substantial, it blends high-end luxury with family-friendly safety and versatility features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, woodgrain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera. Satisfy your craving for quality and performance in this meticulously crafted Q7. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.